In the area of your challenge this week, we have the Four of Swords. Challenge sa'yo ang magpahinga. Challenge sa'yo ang maghintay patiently for the things that you're praying for. Challenge din sa'yo ang huwag mag-isip sa mga panahon dapat nagpapahinga ka. Because you have to really take care of yourself, your mind, your body, your spirit. So you should allot more time to meditate, to go somewhere, to really relax, and forget pansamantala lang naman the things that are bothering you or the things that you need to focus on. Kung work yan, take a day or two to relax, or kung you need to have like a good bath or a meditation, go to church every Sunday para ma-relax ka, or to take away those worries and inhibitions and negativity na nararamdaman mo. So the challenge for you is to really stay still muna for a while and let things